Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to 1 versus 1 friend in CS2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First of all, you need to open up your console, and if you don't know how to open, just go to the settings menu, go to the basically game, then you need to scroll down until you see enable developer console. Make sure this on yes, and then it will show you the button that you need to press. And if you don't know, for example, how to press this button, you need to go to keyboard and mouse here, and then you need to scroll down until you see toggle console, and then you can change that. And nevertheless, then when you open the console here, you need to just write a map and then underscore, and then you just need to write whatever map you like. So map, and just for example the ancient right here, and just press connect, and then you will be on this map as you can see here. And the first thing we need to do here is to select the team, and it will be probably with the bots. So what you need to do here first is to kick the bots if you don't want them bot kick. And when the bots is kicked, then you just need to write status, and then here the second line will be version. So we need to copy the IP address of the server here. It will be this one, and just copy the text, and then you need to send the text to your friend, and then your friend on console should write connect, and then your server IP, this one right here, and your server IP, this one. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.